What is Wi-Fi?
Wi-Fi is a technology that allows devices like phones, laptops, and tablets to connect to the internet wirelessly. Instead of using cables, Wi-Fi uses invisible radio waves to send and receive information. It makes connecting multiple devices at home or in public places easy and fast without the mess of wires.
The science of radio waves.
Radio waves are a type of electromagnetic wave similar to light but invisible to our eyes. Wi-Fi uses these waves to send information between your device and a special box called a router. The waves travel through the air, passing through walls and other obstacles, so you can stay connected from different rooms.
How devices and routers communicate.
When you use Wi-Fi, your device sends a signal to the router. The router then passes your request, like loading a web page, to the internet. The router receives the data back and sends it out as radio waves to your device. This back and forth happens in milliseconds, making wireless internet feel almost instant.
Wi-Fi frequencies and speed.
Wi-Fi usually operates on two frequencies, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. Think of them like different lanes on a highway. The 2.4 GHz band is better at traveling long distances or through walls, while 5 GHz is faster, but works best close to the router. Your device may switch between them for the best connection.
Keeping Wi-Fi secure.
To keep your Wi-Fi safe from unwanted users, routers use passwords and encryption. Encryption turns messages into secret codes, so only devices with the correct password can understand the data. This helps protect your information and ensures only trusted devices can access your network.